Hi, I'm Claire Worthington.
And I'm Dr. Brett. We just had a wonderful time down here this weekend. We're over here at the Yachty down in Kemah. Saw all these fantastic floats and just had a really good time.
We went to T-Bone Tom's and got some of the people outside, the vendors, and inside was Jerry Diaz band.
Have a look.
Oh, cool. Okay. They're not eating on their
Best tropical theme goes to Kelly's Kids Golf Carts.
Now look at her and give him a pretty look. Yes, give him a wave.
Say hi. Hi. Thank y'all very much.
How's the king? The king is here.
The king has entered the
The king is entered the building. Yes, the king is here. Yes, follow the king. Follow the king.
All rise for the king. First place, Tropical Theme Paradise Mardi Gras, number 14. And now, I said it won't come roulette. Please welcome Jerry Diaz and Hannah's Reef. Days when the rains came down in Hollow, we were playing a new game, laughing and running, skipping and jumping in the mist of morning fog. Oh, where the hearts of the club is you, my brown-eyed girl. Whatever happened, Tuesday is oh so slow, rolling down to your mind with a transistor radio, standing in the sunlight laughing, hiding behind the rainbow's wall, slipping and sliding, yeah, all along the waterfall with you.
Thank you very much.